Hello friends, welcome to the MayuriCodeHub. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about how to develop a magic paper game using Linux shell scripting. So let's get right into the video. First of all, I'm going to tell you about what is shell scripting. A shell script is a text file that contains a sequence of commands for a Unix-based operating system, and it's because it combines a sequence of commands that will otherwise have to be typed into the keyboard one at a time into a single script. Then it can be used to design a specific user task for operating system and can also be used to schedule some specific task. And using a shell script is most useful for repetitive tasks that may be time consuming to execute by typing one line at a time. And here are many reasons to write shell scripts. First, to avoid repetitive work and automation. Then system admins use shell scripting for routing backups, then system monitoring and adding a new functionality to the shell script, etc. And in this project, we have implemented concepts of magic paper game, in which we have to think about any 2-digit number and add both the digits. Then we have to subtract the incoming result from original number. Then we have to take a note of symbol displayed below that final number, and at the end, that symbol will be displayed. So now let's move to the code of magic paper game using shell scripting. So first of all, open your Oracle VM VirtualBox. So here I have created a virtual machine of Ubuntu, and then you have to click on start to start our virtual machine. So it takes some time. So your Ubuntu virtual machine is started, and it shows the users which are created in our machine. So my code is placed on the user. This is GPP students. So I will log in into this user. Just click on that and enter your password and hit the enter button. So here you are successfully logged in. So inside the directory, I have created the magicpaper.sh file, which includes the code of our project. So here you can see our code is open. So first of all, I am just painting magic paper game and created using shell script. So using echo command, I am going to print this sentence, and using the read -p, which takes the input from enter button. So here we have to press only the enter button. When it prints these sentences, like think of any 2-digit number, then add both the digits. It's just like instructions which we are going to give to the user. Then it asks for do you wish to proceed. Then if this choice is equal to 1, then it proceed further. Then it takes the random number and first keys of this random number. So it prints the numbers and some emojis below that number, and we have to choose one of these. Then after that, it prints have you really taken the note of the symbol. So then you have to click on just enter button, and then it shows your symbol after some time. Like that, it checks few cases because we use a random function, and at last it closes the else part and prints thank you. So this is all about the code of our magic paper game. So I am going to run this file. So here I have executed the command bash dir/magicpaper.sh. So let's see the output. So first it prints magic paper game created using shell script. So press the enter button, then it shows welcome to the world of magic. Then it tells us to think of any 2-digit number. Then we have to add both the digits. Then now subtract this result from the original number. Then for example, you choose 24, then 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and 24 minus 6 is equal to 18. Then do you wish to proceed? Then we have to enter 1 because we have to proceed. Then it shows the list of numbers up to 98. and some emojis below that numbers. So now press enter. Then have you really taken note of the symbol? Then thinking, and this your symbol is this, because then our symbol number is 54 or 45 or any else. And now we again execute this. Then now here I am thinking about number 13. Then I am adding both the digits. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and 13 minus 4, which is 9. Then the enter button. Then again the enter button and enter 1. So here the number 13 shows this symbol like crown, and again the button again thinking, and your symbol is this. Sorry, 9. So this is all about our magic paper game. So I hope you all are understood this code, and I am providing the code in the zip file inside the description, and the password of that file is in the video. So watch the full video for the password. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.